Hey, foodies! Welcome back to the channel where we turn ordinary meals into extraordinary feasts. Today, we're diving into the world of juicy grilled chicken recipes that are so good, you'll be licking your fingers clean. Whether you're a grill master or a beginner, these recipes are guaranteed to impress. So, fire up your grill, grab your apron, and let's get cooking. Rests a 1/4 cup olive oil, 3 cloves garlic, minced, zest and juice of 2 lemons, 1 tsp fresh rosemary, chopped 1 tsp fresh thyme, chopped salt and pepper to taste. Mix all the marinade ingredients in a bowl, coat the chicken, and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. Then, grill it over medium heat for 6-7 minutes per side until it's golden and juicy. The result? A zesty, herb-packed flavor that'll have everyone coming back for seconds. Tangy, tender, and absolutely delicious. Next, we're turning up the heat with this spicy honey garlic grilled chicken. Sweet, spicy, and oh so satisfying, this recipe is a flavor explosion. 4 chicken thighs, a 1/4 cup honey, 3 tsp soy sauce, 2 tsp sriracha, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tsp apple cider vinegar, 1 tsp smoked paprika. Whisk together the honey, soy sauce, sriracha, garlic, and vinegar. Marinate the chicken for at least an hour, then grill it until it's caramelized and sticky. The smoky paprika adds a depth of flavor that's just irresistible. Look at that glaze. It's sticky, sweet, and has just the right amount of kick, perfect for those who love a little spice. Now, let's take a trip to the Mediterranean with these vibrant grilled chicken skewers. Packed with fresh veggies and bold flavors, these skewers are a meal on a stick. 2 pounds is chicken breast, cubed, a 1/4 cup olive oil, 2 tsp red wine vinegar, 1 tsp oregano, 1 tsp smoked paprika, 1 red onion, cut into chunks, 1 bell pepper, cut into chunks, cherry tomatoes. Marinate the chicken in olive oil, vinegar, oregano, and paprika. Thread the chicken onto skewers with the veggies, then grill until everything is charred and juicy. The Mediterranean flavors are light, fresh, and perfect for a healthy dinner. These skewers are like a party in your mouth, so colorful and full of flavor. Grilled chicken being brushed with BBQ sauce, served with a side of ranch dressing. Last but not least, we've got the ultimate comfort food, BBQ ranch grilled chicken. This recipe combines smoky BBQ flavors with cool, creamy ranch for a match made in heaven. Season the chicken with garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. Grill it until it's almost done, then brush on that BBQ sauce for a sticky, smoky finish. Serve it with a side of ranch for dipping, and you've got a dish that's pure comfort food magic. BBQ and ranch? Yes, please. This combo is unbeatable. Thanks for watching video.